Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system so the new firmware and packages install cleanly. First, reboot into BIOS and disable Secure Boot if you will install Nvidia proprietary driver. This prevents module blocking. Once back, open a terminal and run sudo apt update to refresh package lists so you see the latest driver versions. Then add the graphics drivers PPA using sudo adapt repository PPA. Graphics drivers /PPA, which makes current Nvidia builds available to apt. You next choose and install the driver. Run Ubuntu drivers devices to see recommended and compatible versions. This tells you why a particular driver fits your GPU. If you want the easiest path, run sudo Ubuntu drivers auto-install, which installs the recommended proprietary driver automatically. Alternatively, pick a version shown and install with sudo apt install NVIDIA driver XXX, where XXX is the version number. Make sure to watch terminal output for DKMS build messages. They explain module compilation success. You finish by rebooting so the kernel loads the new NVIDIA module. Run sudo reboot and allow the system to start normally. Once up, verify the driver with NVIDIA SMI or Open NVIDIA settings to confirm GPU, driver version, and temperature readings. This shows that everything is working. If things go wrong, check /var/log/syslog and dmesc for module errors, ensure matching kernel headers are installed, and reinstall the driver. That one troubleshooting tip solves most module build or signing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.